Hello everyone, welcome to Angular Step by Step course. Today we will discuss about the route guards. Can activate child route. Actually, earlier we had discussed about the route guards and can activate route. So today we will discuss about the can activate child. So can activate child guard works similar to the can activate guard, but the difference is it's run before each child route is activated. So let's see an example for better understanding. Here I have created home, this user and users are the child components. So I have created auth guard for can activate, and I'm creating one more auth guard for can deactivate. Sorry, can activate child. Ng generate guard. I'm creating auth guard name. So here we can see one auth guard for the can activate, and another one I'm creating can activate child. So here you can see can activate child. Here I'm going to see it's already created can activate child. So we will implement the routing here. So I have implementing home page now. So here we have already given this. So I'm using this route here. So I'm giving home here. I'm giving home. So in this I'm giving can activate. After this I'm giving can activate now. So can activate. In the can activate we have already given. In the can activate I'm giving auth got. So I'm remove this. Yeah, you can see now. So can activate is working now. Then I will provide the some children for this. In the children I am providing one more for path single quotas. Single quotas I am giving component. This is for home component, and I will provide some other paths in the children only. I'm giving. Here I'm giving one more. This is path. In the path, giving can activate child. Can activate child route. In the can activate child route, I'm giving what I have given access code. This is can activate child routes. Here I'm giving children for this. In the children I'm giving two children's path. One is component, user component, users component. So here in the contract component, you can open the TS file, copy and paste it here. So now it will be fine. So you can check here, home works, home working. So first of all, we have to done some ng serve. It will be already created that God. So we have to do ng serve for serving the application. It will give a more clarity to this, and you can see here this accessing God is working fine. So you can see that. So we don't have any problems, outputs, debug consoles, and terminal problems, errors are here. So you can see now it is reloading. When we click on home, home page will be returned. Then you can check with our HTML page, is there any problem here? Home works and users. I'm opening users. User should be placed. H1 user works, and contact we have to check. Yes, it's fine now. Then we will provide home, and we will provide home contact. So I think it has a problem. What happened exactly? We have to check now. So can activate, can deactivate, how it is behaving. First of all, we have to check here the can access code. So true, can access code is true, cannot so it's false, shows that's why it's not showing. So when we click on the true, so you can see now home works. When I given user, the users works, and when we clicked on contacts, so when we clicked on the contacts, home contacts, contacts works. So I hope you understand well. So here we are seeing two articles. So for example, I have given false, it will not work entirely. So okay, if I give article, it will it not work all other. So if I give false here, access for the children. So we'll check now. Home is working. Why? Because this is a for more user. So it will not work for users and contacts also. Why? Because here we have given can activate child false. So because of that reason, it's not reflecting. So it will be true, then it will be reflected into that. So that is the concept of can activate child. So I hope understand well. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.